Fertilization and management of fishery pond. Composite fish culture. Cage culture. Culture of exotic fishes. Induced breeding. Methods of fishing in India, with reference to UP. Preservation, processing, transport, and marketing of fish. Food value and flavors of different fishes. Fertilization and management of fishery pond. Fish pond management is essential for maintaining water quality, ensuring optimal fish growth, and maximizing production. Fertilization involves the application of nutrients to stimulate the growth of natural food organisms, like plankton. Pond preparation includes drying, deweeding, liming to neutralize acidity, and eradication of predatory and weed fishes using chemicals like bleaching powder or mahua oil cake. Fertilization. Organic fertilizers. Cow dung, 5,000 to 10,000 kg/ha/year, adds humus and nutrients. Inorganic fertilizers. Urea, 100 kilograms per hectare, and single superphosphate, 50 kilograms per hectare, for nitrogen and phosphorus supplementation. Water quality management includes monitoring of pH 6.5 to 8.5, dissolved oxygen greater than 5 milligrams per liter, ammonia, and turbidity. Water exchange or aeration may be employed if parameters deviate. Algal bloom control. Avoid eutrophication by checking over fertilization. Regular monitoring. Sampling of fish growth, controlling aquatic weeds, and checking for diseases. Composite fish culture. Also known as polyculture, this technique involves culturing different species together that utilize different ecological niches of the pond to maximize production. Example: a typical combination in Indian ponds includes surface feeders, catla, column feeders, labio rohitarohu, bottom feeders, Cerinus mrigla mrigal, weed feeders, grass carp, Tenepharingodon idella, plankton feeders, silver carp, Hypophthalmicthes mollitrix, insectivores/detritivores, common carp, Cyprinus carpio. Stocking ratio, based on species compatibility, availability of food, and carrying capacity of the pond, typically 5,000 to 10,000 fingerlings/hectare. Advantages: efficient use of all trophic niches, higher productivity, for 6 tons/hectare/year, less interspecific competition. Cage culture. Cage culture involves rearing fish in enclosures or cages submerged in natural water bodies like rivers, lakes, and reservoirs. Materials: nylon net or HDP cages supported with PVC frames or GI pipes. Design: circular, rectangular, or square cages, usually 5 by 5 by 3 m size, fixed, floating, or submersible types. Species cultured: tilapia, pangasius, catla, rohu, and exotic species like rainbow trout. Advantages: utilizes open water resources, easy stock monitoring, low land requirement. Challenges: biofouling, water current issues, predator attacks, and disease outbreaks. Culture of exotic fishes. Exotic fishes are non-native species introduced for culture due to their fast growth, adaptability, and market demand. Examples: grass carp, weed controller; silver carp, plankton feeder; common carp, benthic feeder; tilapia, fast-growing omnivore; trout and salmon, cold water species. Precautions: prevent escape into natural water bodies, monitor for disease transmission and ecological impact. Induced breeding. Induced breeding is the artificial stimulation of brood fish to spawn in captivity using hormones. Hormones used: ovaprim ovatide, HCG, pituitary extract. Procedure: selection of right brooders based on secondary sexual characteristics. Injection of hormones in specific doses based on body weight. Brooders placed in breeding hoppa, or tanks, with continuous water flow. Eggs fertilized and transferred to hatching jars. Advantages: controlled breeding, availability of quality seed, reduced dependency on natural spawning. Methods of fishing in India, with reference to UP. Traditional methods: cast net, jail, gill net, hand net, drag net. Hooks and lines, traps, dara, bokhari, dungi, used in rivers and wetlands. Mechanized fishing, limited to large reservoirs, use of motorized boats and large nets. Seasonal variations, fishing restricted during breeding seasons, monsoon. UP specific, Emphasis on riverine fisheries in Gangyamuna Basin, Oxbow Lakes, and reservoir-based fisheries, Govinsagar, Matatila, etc. Preservation, processing, transport, and marketing of fish. Preservation. Icing. Commonest method, 1:1 fish, ice ratio. Freezing, drying, smoking, salting, canning, pickling. Chemical preservatives. Formalin, not allowed in food fish, sodium benzoate. Used in fish paste. Processing. Primary, gutting, scaling, filleting. Secondary. Value addition, fish cutlets, fingers, surimi. Transport. Live fish transport in oxygenated tanks, conditioned for low metabolic rate. Dead fish transported in insulated boxes with ice. Marketing. Local markets, cold chain for export, online platforms. Role of fish fed, Matsyavikasnigam, and cooperatives. Food value and flavors of different fishes. Nutritional value. High-quality protein, 18 to 22%. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, DHA, EPA. Vitamins, A, D, B-complex. Minerals like calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and iodine. Examples. Rohu and katla, mild flavor, rich in protein. Hilsa, tenuosa, ilisha high fat, strong aroma. Pomfret and sear fish, preferred for taste and low bones. Trout and salmon, delicate flavor, high omega-3. Conclusion. A holistic understanding of fish culture techniques, resource management, marketing, and nutritional aspects is essential for sustainable aquaculture development.